What is freedom? Is freedom working every day, 9 to 5, just to have a roof over your head? Working so hard for money and possessions, but then you realize years have passed you by? Are you working to live or living to work? Life is short. We only have one life. Are you living it? After living the normal life, I made a choice to sell, donate, and give away 90% of my possessions for freedom. No chains to hold me down. My channel is all about how I built my tiny home on wheels and how I live in it with my dog Charlie, so I can travel and see this beautiful country. Come and join me on my journey. Hey, what's up, guys? So I wanted to do a video on my new little purchase, my new little project that I started on this weekend. So let's talk about maps. So everybody that's well, not everybody, but majority of people in RVs and vans and people that are traveling and stuff like that, they get a United States map. And I've been wanting to get one for a while, so I finally went and bought one. But I didn't want to do the same boring thing. You know, I didn't want to just put it on the outside of the van and all that. So I did a little something different. You know, something a little cool for a couple of different reasons. Number one, just putting it on the outside of the van. You know, I mean, like, what happens if you have to get a new vehicle? And I wanted to take mine with me no matter where I go. And I wanted to do something different, something special. Being that the van is, you know, my log cabin on wheels, I decided to do something with wood. And I hope you guys enjoy this little project. So the kit comes with two different sleeves. This one here is the one you peel off and you stick to the back of your van or your RV or whatever. It's a little bit wider than what I wanted. The part comes all the way out to this part right here. And it's all the way around the whole map itself. So what I decided to do was, instead of going here, where this is right here, all the way out here, I decided to go ahead and cut along the black lines, the perimeter of the whole map itself. So the first thing is I'm going to go ahead and cut across and cut off Alaska and Hawaii from the rest of the map. Just using an X-Acto knife. And just going to put it aside until later. So, like I said, I'm just going to go ahead and basically trace around the exterior or the perimeter of the whole map, just following the black lines all the way around. This part is pretty tedious, but I'll speed up the video here in a second, so that way you guys don't have to watch this thing in slow motion. But yeah. So while I'm cutting this out, I just wanted to take the time and tell everybody thank you. I really do appreciate the new subscribers and all that good stuff. If you're new to my channel, this is what I do. I live in a van with my dog and just do upgrades and build and do little projects and stuff like that. Travel and see this beautiful country as much as I can before I get too old and I can't enjoy it. But like I said, thanks, man. I really do appreciate the new subscribers. Go back and check out some of my other videos, man. So this is the sleeve where all the individual states are. You just peel these off and put them on the other one. They're real colorful, so I think it's going to look really, really sharp with what I'm doing. This here is just a plank of wood that I'm burning like I've done throughout the rest of the van. On this part here, I was only using my little torch gun instead of my bigger one because I was inside and it was kind of cold outside, so I didn't want to use my big one. So I mean, it worked out well for what I needed to do. So so yeah, you can see, man, it looks pretty sharp actually. I like the way it looks. It's a little bit darker than what I've done on the rest of the inside of the van, but I think this is going to look really sharp. So I'm not going to make a video of me peeling the actual map and putting it on, but this is a video of that right here. I wanted to make sure that both of my hands were available, and so I didn't want any wrinkles or anything like that. So, and I wanted to make sure it was level, and it worked out the way that I mapped it out to be. This is just the edge of the plank of wood with the bark on the side of it. I think it looks pretty sharp. Gives them some character. So I used these hooks here on the back of the plank of wood. It took me a little while to find some that I actually wanted to use that were going to work out for me. But I used 3 of them on the back of the wood. I mean, I guess I could have got away with 2, but I didn't want, driving around, I didn't want it to fall and break or anything like that. So this is what it looks like while it's up on the wall next to the fireplace before I put the stickers on it. I think it looks pretty damn good. I think it's pretty sharp. It's definitely different from any of the other maps that you see on RVs and vans and stuff like that. So like I said, I wanted to do something different, something unique, and a little different. So here we go. Let's start peeling some stickers. All right, guys. So this is my first sticker, and of course, as most of you guys know, I'm from Virginia. I live in Virginia, and so Virginia is going to be the first one. Well, alrighty then. I've got some stickers. Woohoo! So check this out. So yeah, I guess I need to take a trip to Tennessee and Arkansas. I guess I would be doing that at some point in time, huh? Probably go up to Ohio, but I'm not going up to Ohio during the wintertime. So maybe Florida during the wintertime, but not Ohio. But yeah, pretty damn good start. I love it. I like it. It's awesome. Alrighty, guys. So that is my video on my custom Vanlife travel map, whatever way you want to label this thing. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. I had some fun making this. I love artwork and stuff like that. So this is it's pretty cool, man. So there we go. All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and until the next one, I'll talk at you later. Have a good day. Drive safe.